Hi mom, happy birthday, and I just write down a note, especially for you. Sinulat ko lang to dahil ito yung nasa isip ko ngayon eh. So, here goes. So, hi mom, happy 50th birthday. It's your birthday mom, so I will raise a cheer for you. Without you, my special loving mom, I would not be here. Yes, I owe it all to you, Mom, from the time I was small. You encouraged me in everything and tried not to let me fall. Throughout my life, your caring brightened each and every minute. You love me and enrich my life, and I'm so glad to have you in it. Papasalamat po ako sa inyo dahil malaki naman pinagbago ko. Saka dami ng pinagdaanan na problema sa buhay. Hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako tao. Saka marami ding mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan. Binigyan niyo lahat sa akin ng gusto ko at lahat ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga na tinuro mo sa akin na natutunan ko sa inyo at sa birthday nyo. I wish sana lahat tayo magkakasama and keep praying and pray na kakasama lahat tayo someday na I wish you a happy birthday and I love you mom. Alright.